Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with the Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. It's Experiment Saturday. What day isn't an experiment with me anymore? Anywho, I learned how to make these little trees I just don't know how to put them together yet. At the backs from Reader's Digest books. And when I do get time to go sit in the family room, I like to fold these. It's just kind of relaxing. So I've been wanting to do this, and I'm going to pour over this. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how it's going to go. But I've got it sitting on top of a styrofoam cup, and we're going to see what kind of a design it makes when it goes plop onto the canvas. This is a 11 by 14, I think. Yeah, yeah. In here I have just a mishmash of colors, whites, blacks, gold, silver, pink, purples, blues. Yeah, it's just a whole bunch. So we're just going to see what we can do here, and fingers crossed. Ooh, sorry, my nose itched. I'm going to kiss a fool. What? Okay. So let's pour this over and see how it goes. Okay. I'm going to assume the paper is going to catch a lot of this, since it is a porous material. Oh, we're just not getting much out of this, are we? Not a whole lot is going down to the canvas. It's sticking to the... Ooh. I didn't think this would happen, guys. Oh my gracious. Whoopsie. Yep. That was, yeah, I kind of expected that to happen. But this, nah, I didn't. I thought it would pour more easily, I think. In my head, it's always so much better than than what actually comes out. Okay, and I'm just, you probably can't see because my hand is probably right up there. My apologies. Alright, yes, okay. If I let go, what you gonna do? Well, this is kind of, neat underneath. I would take you down for a close-up, but I feel that my finger is needed right here at the moment. Well, I'm here. If you ever want an easy nail polish that won't come off for weeks and weeks, try using a acrylic paint pen. Robin gave me the idea. I thought, oh, well, let's try it. Yeah, it's been on there for the longest time. Okay. Not sure how long we're gonna stand here and hold this up. Yeah, so, what should we talk about? Does anybody want a kitten? My boyfriend, and he lives around Atlanta, Georgia. His cat had 6 kittens. He knew she was pregnant. She's Siamese. And the father, Garfield, is an orange tabby, light orange tabby. And a couple days later, well, he pulled back his covers on his bed, and his other cat, Gizmo, was having 3 kittens. What? Yeah. Garfield had some fun there, didn't he? Mm-hmm. So, he This is actually turning out kind of pretty. I don't know how well it's going to spread, though. I should have done it on an 8x10. Anywho, if you want a free kitten, let me know. Yes, he's not keeping them. Oh, that I last knew of. Okay. Alrighty, so what do I do at this point, guys? Put you on pause and cry? I don't know. Alright. We're just going to fake it till we make it, alright? Gonna push some of these over. I really should be down here cleaning. I really should. Yes, I should. Okay, let's keep you there, and pardon me for reaching over. Boop, boop, boop. Alright, and let's grasp this and boop. Put it over here. Please stay. Okay, as you can see, we have a different pattern here than the normal, what is it we normally use? Oh my goodness, I can't think. Yeah, I almost had it. Anywho, it's different. I like it. It looks like little flowers in a garden. Okay, let's find a paper towel, which I did not have ready. And I'm going to bring... lost my voice there for a moment. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up so you can see this before I may accidentally, ruin it. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. Alrighty. Looky there. Aren't those pretty? Oh, those are pretty pretties. Oh, yes. Okay. And those are drips from off of there. Oops. Okay. Yep. There we go. Hi. I think we're back. Sorry about that. I should have put the do not disturb on there. Alright. I hope I can put these two together. Alright, so, let's put you back up here. And... alrighty. Let's take this off. That's a big gape in there. That's alright, that's alright. It will fill in eventually. With the help of my little sticky-doo here. Doop-doop-doop-doop. I'm questioning the thickness of some of these paints at the moment. They may be some old ones. Oh my goodness. Is this even possible to tilt? Very heavy, that's for sure. Okay. Alright, I'm going to do one little thing here before I go too much further. Nope. Gotta reach over here. I'm going to put some white around here. And I keep on knocking the little tree so we can extend the flow of things, hopefully. This is simply Artist Law Flow Acrylic White mixed with Floetrol. I have a feeling I may need a shower to this. If we do, that's okay. Alright. See how, I don't know if you can see how well it's flowing once it reaches that white. Just seems to zoom. Trying to get that corner there. Okay. Let's bring it down this way. Alright, one moment. Let's get some of this white. Dabby dabby dabba-doo. Alrighty. We're doing this without gloves. Trying to decide if I just want to leave that. Okay. Or do we want to keep on trying to spread it? Decisions. Just getting the sides here. There's that chair. Someday I'll need to show you the chair as proof. Because honest, it's not me. Okay. Hopefully I got that hair that was in there. Okay, I am kind of liking this negative space. I really don't want to stretch it anymore. What do you guys think? We're going to hit it with the torch here in a moment. I'm looking to see what else, because there's a lot of bubbles on there. Okay, do not hit the tree. Do not. It's almost tempting to just go towards the tree. Just to see what it would do, you know? Just to see. Now, we're good. We're not that insane. Okay. Where's the little stick? Boop, boop, boop. There's a whale stick. Alright. I just want to make sure that's up to there. Okay, and alright, let's take you guys on a tour. Helmets and seatbelts again, please. You got them? Got them good? Okay. Here we go. Now, from my perspective, I would tell you, I probably got you guys all messed around. Anywho, here is a white corner. Oops. Let's get that. There we go. And then, look at that gold in there shimmering. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There's a deep purple. I've got to get more color combos, guys. And you can see that pink in there, the neon pink, which the white has muted a lot of, but that's okay. This one goes to the top and over. Pardon my messy table. You know it's always messy. And I already see a dog hair in there. Yes, I do. But, you know what? I'm really liking this. I am. Okay. Wow. Need to touch up that corner just a wee tab, but we will do that. So, hopefully I can put these together. So, I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. And I will see you next time on Happy with a Twist Acrylic Pours Plus. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.